Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. SIM locked. Insert a valid SIM with no pin lock to activate iPhone. So why you see this error and how you can fix it. So first thing for fixing it, just try to turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general. In the general you need to find here in the settings you need to find general, and now just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so just try to take off your SIM card and just wait some time and just put inside again. So, and also you can try to make force restart on your phone. So if you have iPhone with Face ID, so you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen, and after just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So, and if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, find here reset, and just tap on reset all settings. So, and just submit it. So just try to reset not all settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.